This quick video is about how to share your current location on iPhone using Google Maps. Okay, let's see. First, go to Settings, scroll down a bit and open Privacy. Then open Location Services and turn on these location services. Now scroll down and open Google Maps and select while using the app. Now close this and open Google Maps. Now your current location was shown like this blue circle. To share your current location, just touch and hold on that little blue circle. Now you will see this page. Move this slider. Then you will see this share button. Touch that. Now you can share your Google Maps current location with these apps. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.